Let me show you examples. Look at people's windows. I don't know if you guys can see. Are you seeing the windows? These are the type of windows people are doing now.
Is by 2 meters. Let's say the height of the glass now will be
5 meter pad, 3 meters.
Yes,
okay.
Randomly about 800,000.
800,000 for this particular place. Hey, this one is what? How many feet? Yeah. Oh, open. And then this one that has double is how much?
50,000 per square meter.
Okay, 150k per square meter. Hi gang, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. If you're new here, hey, welcome. My name is Mary Moe, and if you're a returnee, what's up my G? Welcome back to the channel. Get to the front seat because you're real VIP. Thank you so much for riding with me, guys. Today we're just going to continue from the part 1, okay, where we talked about the different types of glasses, the sizes, and the prices. Okay, today actually you guys are coming along with us to the site where we're going to install some of those windows. Okay, the windows, we're going to install them in Plantation City Estate. Okay, now this very place is the second shop, right? Because in that part 1, the guy told us that he has a branch at Agbor Junction. So this is the branch at Agbor Junction. Okay, I just decided to like show you guys what the shop looks like. Okay, now we're going to the sites to install some of the windows. All right, I hope you guys enjoy watching. Please do not forget our rule: click the like button as you're watching. Just like button so that YouTube can push the video to more people, and share. Remember, we do not gatekeep information here. Share with family members, friends, anyone at all that you know that this video would definitely be of help to them. Please share with them, okay? And leave me a comment in the comment section. Any question you have, put it down for me in the comment section. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe because it's absolutely free. Plus, we give out good information. Okay, so subscribe. And yeah, if you have any question for the guy or you want to patronize him, check the description box for his phone number. And yeah, so let's go to the site. Let's go to Plantation City and install this windows. Okay, so this is the shop at Agbor Junction. I'll just show you guys around. Yeah, this is Agbor Junction. And yeah, so from Agbor Junction we're going to Plantation City Estate to install the mirror. So yeah guys, let's go straight to the city. And please guys, when you contact them, when you contact the guy, let him know you came from Mary Moe on YouTube. Guys, please try your best to remember to do that for me. Please, I beg you, so that it will be easier for me to do these videos. Okay, let them know you came from Mary Moe on YouTube. Please get that, help your girl out. Be cool, please. Thank you. So this is one of the windows for this. As you can see how they're fixing it. Okay. I'm set. Please, sorry, can you tell me the inches of this window? Huh? The inches, like. I don't know. The height. The height.
I think that's 2 feet by
6 feet now.
no, 2 feet by 6 by 5 feet.
6 now, 6.
Okay, 2 feet by 6 feet.
2 feet by 6 feet. Okay, same with this one.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, open it again, please. Let me see this one. Thank you. So pretty. Yeah. So this is the type of window people do now. And these short ones. Got me too. It's for this window. This is the bathroom. Yeah, this is the bathroom. Okay, so this short window, this is it. Today now, explain. So you guys are at the site now. Talk to my people. This is the next day, guys. Don't just say hi. Tell us what's happening. This is Plantation City, by the way. He's the main engineer. Is it? What do they call you people now? Engineer. Yeah, when it comes to Plantation City Estate. Okay. So you see, he did not come to play. So yeah, guys. For Plantation City to trust them with all their works, you know they're doing the good thing. All right. So this one too. It's for this window. This is the type of window people are doing now. Yep. 6 feet by 2 feet. Yeah. You guys, look at them. Pretty. Ah, good. This is speaking money, 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 money. I see. Look at how strong this is. 6 feet by 2 feet. This is for that particular window again. Then this one. So this is just one room. This one room has 3 windows. 3 windows, and they are long, guys. The other types of windows are outdated. But where would the wardrobe be now if this place has 3 windows? Okay, this corner. The TV area. Then this is the bed area. I'm even thinking is this corner. This corner, yeah. Sorry. Yeah. Because this is not the main room. This is not the what's it called? Master's bedroom, no. You guys, so come check him out. Yeah. Let me show you examples. Look at people's windows. I don't know if you guys can see. Are you seeing the windows? These are the type of windows people are doing now. These are the types of windows. You see those uncompleted buildings too, the same type of windows. So yeah, peace. Well done. Yeah. Oh, nice. Oh, this one is for, oh my goodness. See how big this is. And then, see this other one. Mingoma. So this place. Hey, this one is what? How many feet?
This one is 4 feet.
4 feet by 6 feet. For this particular place. Then this one for that corner. Then this place too, you're also going to put glass.
10 mm partition.
10 mm.
10 mm tampered glass, yes.
10 mm pamper glass. Tampered, okay. Tampered glass. Gosh, you guys. Everywhere is glass, 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 glass. That's what's in vogue now. So now, oh my god, look at this place, this swamp. Actually, guys, look at Plantation City. Oh my god. All these vacant spaces I showed you before has been occupied. Though. Better come and buy yours if you haven't. Sorry. Okay. You want to do it? How much?
For this size.
This size. This size is what size now?
Should be around 5 meters.
5 meter. Okay, so how much? 5 meter per 3 meters.
Yes, it
Okay.
costs randomly about 800,000.
800,000 for this particular place. And then this one that has double is how much? 150. Okay, you guys, you see that this is the type of window everyone is doing now. So you guys see how beautiful the aftermath is. I seen the windows, so pretty. So by the time they are done, this is what you get. This is what you get. So beautiful. Window here as well. It's for that particular place. Oh, guys, you know that shower stuff now, the glass one. Oh my god, a shower cubicle. Oh gosh. Oh, I will definitely come. When? You don't know when. The one you want to put here, is it the type that will not fall?
It's a 10 mm glass.
10 mm
Tampered.
tampered for this particular place, for the balcony. The type now you want to put the tampered, is it that one you said?
Full glass, yes. That's safety glass.
Safety glass. Okay. That one is like how much now for this particular per square meter? And with this one now you're okay, 150k per square meter. So now this one we are saying now is how many square meter?
But not it's by let's say the height of the glass now will be 1 square meter. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
The height. We're not covering this plate. The height.
Okay.
So after ties now, we're taking 1 square meter. Like this, 1 square meter.
Yeah.
That's the height of the balcony.
So just one now is what you're taking, 150k.
Yes. We have about 2.5 square meters here.
Okay, so it would be more than that price. Nice. Oh my god, when you're ready, please do not forget to call me so that I can show my people. Hey guys, look at. Are you seeing how big this estate is? Like Plantation City is actually really big, like big with beautiful houses. Oh my goodness, guys. And there are still vacant land, vacancy for you to come and buy. Come and buy. So you are done with this one, pata. Yes. Is it biting? Guys, look at your window. Perfectly done. Done. So they are still working on that one. Now they are also done with this one. So yeah, let's close it up. Oh, yep. So this is another window. This one here, I think it's for that window there, and some of the windows, some other windows. So yeah, you guys, this, you see the quality. I want you guys to look at the quality of this window. So, me to building side. So yeah guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys find this video helpful and I hope you enjoyed watching. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and check the description information of the guy. Okay, check the description box for his phone numbers, and please do not forget to like the video so that more people can see it, and share. Okay, share with family members, friends, anyone at all you know that this video will be of help to them. Please share with them. Okay, and yeah, do not forget to subscribe. Okay, it's absolutely free, so subscribe to the like the video so that more people can see it. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Peace out. Mwah. And please do not forget to let them know you came from Mary Moe. Guys, please try your best to always remember for me. Once you contact anyone I recommend, let them know you came from Mary Moe on YouTube, okay? So that it will be easier for me to do these videos, to convince them, and also just for them to appreciate me. You need to help your girl out, alright? Thank you.